Before we start writing Java programs for the first time, we have to install the Java Development Kit and Runtime Environment from Oracle on your computer. You'll find a link to this page on my school website. So from here we're going to go to Downloads, and I'd like to download the Java Standard Edition. There we go. Standard edition I'd like to get is the Java Platform JDK version 8 update 101. Let's see. I need to pick out a version for my machine. It's a 32-bit Windows machine, so I'm here at x86. I'm going to accept the license agreement, and I'm going to click download. And this is going to take a few minutes, as you can see. So we're going to jump ahead a little bit. When you're done installing Java, you'll get this window. I've successfully installed Java. Now we're going to check on that to make sure. The next thing we have to do is change some environment variables. So in my control panel, I'm going to do a search for env. There's my environment variables. And I need to edit one of them. There it is, the path. Because right now, BlueJ can't find the compiler tools that it needs. I'm going to add a new one to the end of this path, but where is the new one? The next piece of information I have to add to this is the location of the compiler tools, and I'm going to find them this way. So on this computer, in the C drive, in the program file subdirectory, in the Java subdirectory, in the, let's see, I had version 8, now I had 7, now I have 8. In the JDK version 8 folder, it's the bin subdirectory. And this is the program I'm looking for, Java C. I'm going to right-click on that and say Properties. And the property I am most interested in is the location. Where can that thing be found? I'm going to right-click and copy it. And I'm going to add that to the end of my list. And I'm going to close out of a few of these. In order to check whether my Java got installed correctly, I'm going to go to the command prompt and I'm going to ask my computer, what version of Java do you have installed? Version 8, update 101. But tell me this, because BlueJ needs to know. What about my Java compiler tools? What version do you have of those? Excellent. So BlueJ, I hope, will work just fine. After you've installed Java, the next thing I'm going to ask you to do is to go to a website called bluej.org. And this is the development environment we're going to use. It's an integrated development environment, or an IDE, for Java programming languages, and there are quite a few, but we're going to use this one. It was developed specifically to support the learning and teaching of object-oriented programming. You'll notice there's quite a few options. There's my Windows and Mac, and a couple of flavors of Linux. Also in Windows, I have a choice. I could download both, but I've already got the Java 8 Java Development Kit. So I'm just going for the Java J installer, which I can click install, and we'll give you a minute to do that. After you install and run BlueJ, you're going to have a window that looks similar to this. Now, all I want to do is test to make sure everything works. So we're not going to explain any code for a little bit. I'm going to go Project, New Project, pick a location I know, make up a name I'll remember. and I get this window. I'm going to hit New Class, and I'm going to type our traditional first program, Hello World. I'm going to double click on this icon and take all of this code that they provide and cut it. And I'm going to ask you to replace that code that you just cut with this program. Take a moment, stop the video, type this in. Now, if you've done everything correctly, when we hit compile, it's going to check to see if there are any typos. If not, great. If you did make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. I left off a semicolon. I'm going to compile this. And it's going to say you need a semicolon right there, in which case you're going to be fine. Just fix it. Compile again. Close it. I'm going to right-click on this icon and run the main method. Don't give any information. It's all good. Just say OK. And if I did everything well, I'm greeted with my message, which means everything's installed and working well.